In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable named functions suggestions in Google Sheets. If you use custom named functions to reuse formulas across your files, enabling suggestions makes Sheets surface those names as you type, right next to built-in functions like sum or filter. It speeds up your workflow and helps prevent typos. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. Make sure you're signed in to the account that owns or can edit the spreadsheet you want to work on. A stable internet connection helps here, since the setting is applied inside Sheets. At the top right of the Google homepage, click the grid icon. This is the Google Apps Launcher. If your window is narrow, you might need to expand the window or scroll to see all app icons. In the panel that opens, click Sheets to launch Google Sheets. If you don't see it immediately, use the search bar inside the launcher to find Sheets. Once Sheets opens, choose the spreadsheet you want to adjust. You can pick a recent file, search by name, or open it from Drive. If you're just testing the feature, a blank spreadsheet works fine. Keep in mind you'll need editor access to change these suggestion settings. With your spreadsheet open, look to the top menu and click Tools. From the Tools menu, select Suggestion Controls. This is where Sheets groups settings that affect in-cell guidance and formula help. In the Suggestion Controls, turn on Enable Named Functions Suggestions. When this is enabled, Sheets will autocomplete and recommend your custom names as you start typing an equals sign and the first few letters of the function. You'll notice them appear in the drop-down just like any other function, which makes it much easier to find and insert the right one. A couple of quick tips while you're here. If the option appears grayed out, you may not have permission in this file, or your organization's admin might control the setting. Try switching to a file you own or check with your workspace admin if you're on a managed account. Also remember that this setting affects how suggestions appear for you in this spreadsheet. Collaborators can enable it for themselves as needed. To confirm it's working, go to any cell, type an equals sign, and begin entering the name of one of your named functions. You should see it pop up in the suggestions list, complete with helpful hints, making insertion just a click or enter key away. That's it. You've enabled named functions, suggestions in Google Sheets, so your custom formulas are now faster to find, easier to use, and more consistent across your work.